Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Wayne Sinclair, president of the Global Services Association of Jamaica, notes that investors are seeking real estate for logistics usage rather than for call centers. He says foreign exchange earnings from the knowledge process outsourcing sector remained flat at US $890 million in 2023, even though employment in the sector grew to 52,000 people. As a result, some investors are now viewing logistics as the next major driver of foreign exchange earnings. President of the Pensions Industry Association of Jamaica, Sanya Goff, is calling for improvement in Jamaica's pension system. Among the key issues is the automatic enrollment pension plan, which would see workers automatically enrolled in a pension scheme once they begin employment, similar to the system currently in place in the United Kingdom. Ms. Goff made it clear that the industry is not seeking shortcuts or special treatment, just quicker follow-through on matters where there is already broad agreement. For the trading period ending June 23, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 1,545,199 units traded, representing 13.02% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 1,209,777 units traded, representing 10.2% of market sales volume. Online education platform One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 1,017,981 units traded, representing 8.58% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On June 23, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $57.64 million purchased and US $57.41 million sold by forex traders. Forex traders earned 48 cents per dollar, selling the US at $160.99 and buying the US at $159.34. The Canadian dollar netted forex traders 48 cents per transaction, with selling at $117.30 and buying at $116.82. The British pound yielded forex traders $7.60 in profits, with selling $216.51 and buying at $208.91. For the credit report tip of the day, take control of your financial future today by boosting your credit score, especially if you're starting over and need financing without collateral. Don't let a lack of assets hold you back from seizing new opportunities. By improving your credit, you unlock powerful, unsecured financing options that can fuel your fresh start and accelerate your path to success. Now is the time to act and transform your credit into your strongest financial asset. So here's some ideas. A strong personal credit score can help you open business credit accounts in your new venture's name without collateral. Ultimately, a better credit score gives you more choices and control, letting you access the funds you need to rebuild and thrive without risking your hard-earned assets. Now, when you're building something from nothing and you want to move from financial recovery to financial resilience, for many professional women over 45, the prospect of starting over financially can feel both intimidating and exhilarating. Whether prompted by unexpected life changes or a long-held entrepreneurial dream, this pivot moment offers a unique opportunity to redefine success on your own terms and build a business that reflects your values, experience, and vision for the future. Here are some ideas. Reflect on your why. What motivates you to start over? Identify your transferable skills and passions, and seek mentorship from other women founders. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.